Hello everyone, myself Ashish, and today we are going to discuss potential stocks that we can trade on 22nd November on Monday. So for that I have selected 4 stocks. One of them is McDowell. So you can see here, if we see here, the pattern of this stock has been in an upward direction followed by lower volumes in downward direction. Okay, whichever one you see, and same is happening here. So you can see that higher volume, then lower, then higher volume. So we can see that it can take support here, same as happened in this place. If you see here, same has taken place here, same has taken place here. So we might expect bounce from here. In daily chart we can see here, if you go to 5-minute charts, here we are seeing that there has been upward movement, doesn't contain volume, but downward volume is not containing that much volume as well. So you have to be very careful while taking the trade here, because we need further confirmation to go for long direction. Okay, so wait for the volume here first. Then comes the second stock, which is SBI. So we are seeing that stock is following the uptrend, and since the market is coming down, Bank Nifty and Nifty as well, despite that it is showing some kind of reversal from the down move, and trend line is also supporting those kind of upward move. So in daily chart we are seeing this kind of pattern, and possibly if it can come also inside the triangle, but for now we are focusing on the upward trend. If you go to 15-minute chart time frame, so we are seeing here that if it crosses this area, which is possibly the resistance point, then you can trade on for the target of this one, possibly which is around 516. So you can go for this 516 target. Then we have ICICI Bank. So we are seeing here that there was a gap because of the event result day, and in this day it moved more than 10%. So that gap has been filled, and we are seeing that in all of these up move we are seeing higher volume compared to your downfall volume. So possibly we can see some reversal from this point of time. So here, once gap is filled, so we can see if there is any up move. So we should wait for confirmation, and again for confirmation I have already mentioned in the channel that you need to kind of wait for a certain time period. Some people wait for just 5 minutes, some people wait for 15 minutes. It's up to you. So my recommendation is wait for at least 15 minutes. If it sustains above this level, so if you go to 15-minute chart time frame, then my suggestion would be wait for this confirmation that yes, price should move up, and we can target for, you can possibly see a reversal, or you can say resistance here, then also we can possibly see a resistance here. So you can target for 7 to 80 points, 4 to 10 points. But the condition is that overall market should also go up. Okay, means Bank Nifty and Nifty. Another stock was Pidilite. Pidilite is kind of having a good upside move. So we saw a good kind of buying in this range, in this candle. It is what? Healthy kind of, you can say healthy. We are seeing that below that we are seeing a certain rejection. Okay. So my expectation is that market should go up, and the last candle has been kind of have a lot of rejection in this bullish hammer. So let's go for in 15-minute time frame. So we are seeing that there is a resistance from, or you can say there is a possibly resistance point that we can have in this range, or if you go for a particular range, then yes, in this zone we have seen certain resistance. So once this zone is crossed over, okay, once this zone is filled, we can expect move up to, you can say this high. Okay, so if it crosses this, then possibly we can see a move of 10 to 20 points, at least 20 to 30 points, I think. Yeah, 2452. In Bank Nifty, we are seeing that at this point of time, it has respected the support point, or you can say the previous swing high in daily time frame, and we are seeing that from there it kind of reversed. So Bank Nifty can also take a U-turn from here, and if we go to Bank Nifty future, and we are seeing that yes, same kind of chart is there. Yeah, it is perfectly matching. And let's go to 15-minute time frame. Yes, we are seeing a certain bounce here. So yes, if it holds below it, or you can say if it crosses this point, then you are good to go for long direction. Till then, just wait and watch. Or you can say the bounce can come from here and then go upside. Okay, and we can keep small targets, or you can say small targets of 200 points, 2 to 300 points, because we might see some resistance in these areas. So okay, and we will be also following the live market, so you don't have to worry about it. And then for Nifty, let's clear it off. Nifty is showing downward move, and we are not seeing support point yet. So this zone can be a support point, but it is yet to be confirmed. And if you go to 15-minute chart, then still we are seeing the similar scenario. So it needs to test at least 17,600. Then we might see some bounce here, and also there is a trend of, I think, yeah, sorry, so we might see some bounce from here. So till then, I think you need to wait for 17,600, or you can take a sorted from here, and sorted should come from this point of time, this point. So if there is some upside move and you are seeing some reversal signal, then you can go for it. Okay, so possibly you can go for 17 to 1700, yeah. So we can get 50 to around 50 points easily, but you need to wait for the opening of the session. Okay.